welcome to my channel. I'm Jewel, and I'm going to show you how to turn your home into your dream home on a budget. I was actually able to turn my entire apartment into my LA dream home for only under $500. You're thinking, how did you do that? Well, it's pretty easy, and I'm going to share all of my tricks with you because this was actually the best and the most fun project I've ever done on such a low budget. And I know how expensive things can get. Couches can be $500 alone. A bed and mattress and frame, like that can go up to anywhere from $500 to $1,000. I was able to do it all under a budget, and I'm going to tell you how. But before we get started, I always want to show you my outfit of the day because I always think I dress really well for being on a budget. So this right here is like that fake Adidas shirt that I showed you. And then this is just a skirt. It has like a slit in the back right there. Oh, and then these right here are from Zara, but I didn't buy them from Zara actually because they would be like 50 bucks. This is actually from Mercari. Mercari is like a thrifting app where you can get used things. So I did buy these used for, guess what, 11 bucks. Okay, that wasn't there a second ago. I was washing. Oh, and I forgot to show you these earrings. These earrings are so cute. I actually just got them like from the lady on the side of the street. Look how cute. They're like thick and round and okay, what are we talking about? My outfit, right? So, I'll tell you my first secret. My first secret is I got everything on Offerup and Goodwill. Offerup is actually really easy to use. All you have to do is download the app. This is also not sponsored, by the way. They should sponsor me because literally I furnish this whole apartment with them. Anyways, all you have to do is install the app into your phone, and you just go through the app, and let's say you're looking for a bed frame, and then from there you look at how much the pricing is. And a really fun, cool thing about Offerup is you can actually bargain down to the price that you want. So I knew that I only had $100 to pay for a bed and a mattress. So pretty much you just have to ask them, hey, will you give it to me for $25? And it's pretty simple. Then you just pick it up, and if you're organized like me, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is pick it up from the place. I swear he's always like in a different side of the room. It's so funny. Anyways, so Pinterest boards are super great for trying to come up with ideas, and it's pretty cool because they are also really great for just giving you a mood board. So what you do is you go into your Pinterest board, go ahead and look up studio apartments, and you just kind of click around and see which vibe you're looking for. And then once you find something that you like, go ahead and add a board, create the name. I'm gonna call it studio apartment, and then from there it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is just compile a bunch of different images, and they'll suggest a few images that are also really similar, and you just kind of go from there. It's kind of like imagining your apartment before seeing it happen. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my apartment just from top to bottom. Let's just go back from the beginning because, I mean, why not? Let's be extra, right? As soon as you walk in, you see my kitchen, and as soon as you walk in, you also see the mirror. That's me. Hello. Ooh, I am so cute with this outfit. Okay, and then here is my mailbox. Old situation at Target. One of my favorite buys, and this was from Goodwill. This was $5, by the way. Okay, moving on. Right here we have our stove. It's super brand new. This right here is a kettle that I got, rose gold copper from Ross, and a lot of people suggested that to go to Ross. So, yo, shout outs to you. And then we also have this really cute skillet. It's like a speckled skillet. Here's my kitchen. I just am obsessed with my bar cart. That bar cart is pretty brand new. I actually just got that from a woman on Offerup, and she was just trying to get rid of it. So that was for 50 bucks. This table is also 50 bucks. Can you believe it, you guys? An IKEA table with 2 chairs, $50. Knives, this was 20 bucks. This was 10 bucks from Ross. This was also 10 bucks. I really try my best to do like a bamboo or a steel. I really try to avoid plastic. This is kind of unavoidable, but that's okay. We have a toaster right here, also from Target. Okay, let's move on. Hallway, let me turn on the lights. Excuse the craziness here. I don't have a place to put my bags yet, so this is just kind of where they're living. Right here we have my shoe rack. I bought this bamboo rack on Offerup for $2. Are you crazy? Like, that's so cheap. And then I made these paintings. I really wanted like a very feminist, like lady vibe, obviously. Like, this girl is short, thick, like me. Love it. It's kind of funny because this V right here is so close to her navel. This is also, well, this is called Time of the Month. I might just change that because it's a little vulgar. But I don't know. Who knows? And then this kind of looks like a peach. All right, let's move on. Whoops. Oh God. Oops. Okay, guys, this here is my vanity. I am obsessed with my vanity. I got this on Goodwill for only $40. So look how cute she is. She is just so, ugh, I am obsessed. Also, this stool right here is 15 bucks. I got it from a girl on Offerup, and it goes exactly with my theme. So for the main event, you ready? So my apartment. I am obsessed with my apartment. I love it so much. I wish I could stay here all the time and all day. So this couch right here was $100. I got that on Offerup. It was originally $150, and then I asked if he can bring it down to $100, and then that's how I was able to get this gigantic couch, because I picked it up and it was $50 cheaper. So this right here, this lamp is $5. It's such a cute lamp, and I know how expensive these go, so I got really, really lucky there. That feather right there is only, I think, $3 from Goodwill. So that was a really good steal. It's also, let me show you up close. It's like a wire feather situation. See? It's like wire. Like, you can probably bend it out of place, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, this right here is a painting. I also picked that up from Offerup. This was my splurge, I guess. It was $20. Actually, it's not even a splurge. It's such a good deal. It's pretty heavy. It's like framed, and it's such a beautiful print. I'm obsessed. This right here I got from Ross. That was, I think, 10 bucks. That right there here is another Offerup buy. So Offerup can be a hit or miss. Like, I bought this for 10 bucks, and the way that she photographed it, it looked so much bigger. Like, I thought it was gonna be at least that size, but it wasn't. I mean, it's still really cute. I mean, if you can see, like, this is more of like the softer yarn, and I'm not really crazy about like the soft yarn, but I do like the aesthetic, and I think it's still really cute. So, and I drove really far to get it. So, and then that watch right there is a plastic watch. Don't let it fool you. It looks super expensive, but it's not. That I also got for Offerup for $1. Actually, the person who sold me that lamp right there, I got this marble watch from, or a clock. I keep saying watch. So I'm all about being luxe and on a budget. So this gigantic throw a rug was $20 from Ross. I know how like the fur can always look fake, but this looks pretty real, though I would never actually buy a real one. This coffee table is so cute. It actually, I think, is the centerpiece of this entire room. It brings everything together besides the couch and that beautiful gigantic gizmo looking rug. This right here is only 20 bucks. I got that for so cheap. I think this was like $6. And then this was, okay, this is also semi-unnecessary, but I also think it pulls the whole thing together and my whole theme. That was also $7. Oh, Gizmo. So this bed right here is $100 with both the mattress and the bed frame. Also Gizmo kind of, I don't even know what that is. I think it's his poop. I washed it just now and it actually made it worse. Like it looks like it's bubbling. And then I got plants from Lowe's, this right here. I don't have a name yet. She's like a palm tree. I'm obsessed with her though. She really brings the whole room together. I got this from Offerup. That was also, this was originally I think 60 bucks and it's in such good condition. Then I actually asked for 40 bucks. And if you look at the knobs, it's the same kind of Victorian theme. It's so pretty. It has like that beautiful like, I guess like sharp, then round, then back to sharp crevice. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, this is my laundry basket. Going back to that theme with the whole line work and just simplicity, minimalistic. I'm obsessed with my laundry basket. This was $10. Oh my gosh, Gizmo, you keep changing positions. Like where, how do you know? This right here was $5 as well. Who sold me that lamp? And then this right here is a $5, can you hear it? It's like a $5 metal table. And it's kind of within the same like modern vibe. I'm so into it. It was so cute. And I got it from Goodwill for $5. And just so you can see my apartment, it has such cute little like arches right here. And I'm also super into like this like texture where it's not finely sanded, or it has just like all these like texture and grids, and I'm just so excited to have this kind of cute little dream house. And that is my space, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my space. I really wanted to curate my space so that it felt like I can get inspired anytime I'm working in here or anytime I am just alone, where I can feel super home and super warm. And so I'm just happy to share that with you guys. All right, I love you all very much. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you are able to create your own Pinterest dreams. Give this a thumbs up and let me know if you want more videos of how to be bad and bougie on a budget, okay? So stay true to yourself. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon, my little gemstones. Hi, handsome. Oh my. Oh, why do you do that to me? Bungo. Wow. Oh my.